Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into the world of rice farming and exploring how climate change is reshaping the landscape for this vital crop. As extreme weather events like floods and droughts become more frequent, farmers worldwide are grappling with new challenges to maintain stable rice production. Flooding, often overshadowed by drought, has emerged as a significant threat to rice cultivation, particularly in key growing regions. Since the year 2000, floods have not only increased in intensity but have also become more common, severely impacting rice fields. Studies predict that this trend will worsen in the coming decades, jeopardizing agricultural productivity in these areas. On the flip side, drought has long been recognized as a formidable challenge for rice farmers. Over a span of 35 years, drought conditions have consistently slashed rice yields by over 8% annually. These adversities complicate the lives of farmers who rely on rice as a staple food source. Recent research has shed light on the devastating impact of floods on rice crops, highlighting the conditions that make flooding lethal. It turns out that if rice plants are submerged for a week or more, most do not survive, posing a grave risk to the food security of over half the world's population. By analyzing a wealth of data, researchers have traced the historical impact of both floods and droughts on rice production. This research includes insights into rice growth stages, annual yields, and global databases on extreme weather events. The studies suggest that increasing the use of flood-resistant rice varieties could help mitigate future losses. Regions like the Sabarmati Basin in India are particularly vulnerable to deadly floods, with countries such as North Korea, Indonesia, China, the Philippines, and Nepal also experiencing heightened flood impacts on rice crops in recent years. Interestingly, in places like the Pinar Basin in India, floods can sometimes boost rice productivity. In these areas, hot and dry weather conditions facilitate rapid evaporation of floodwaters, minimizing long-term damage and creating favorable conditions for rice growth. These findings emphasize the necessity of understanding how rice interacts with various climatic changes, such as heat waves and cold spells. Rapid shifts between drought and flooding can double the losses in rice production compared to the impact of each event occurring independently. The main challenge remains in reducing these compounded effects on rice farming. These insights highlight the urgent need to prepare for the mounting climate challenges facing rice production. By developing sustainable strategies and cultivating flood-resistant varieties, agricultural communities can preserve rice yields and ensure food security for millions of people around the globe. Don't forget to subscribe to Science Hub for more fascinating science content.